Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Director ka ICAR and RC on Pigs Rani Guwahati Assam, Dr. VV Gupta, Ulokantu ikinong rep but no jingri ka than East Gentle Hills District. Ban Shim yakakam ri Sniang, Kiwei nakakam ka banlong kanong ay Kamai, yakalong yiyang long sam ka jongki. Yakani Dr. VV Gupta ulokantu hagajinyalang paliw jingmut jong kinong rep, but kinong ri jingri, halor kumno ban penyar but gantiyo yakakam ri Sniang hapo ka district, kabatip kum ka research extension farmers interface meeting, an input distribution program, kabahap hapo ka AICRP on PICS, NRCP, and tribal sub-plan. Ya ka lang la penyat da ka ICAR National Research Center on PICS Rani Guwahati Assam, ringkat ka lang ka KVK Gentle Hills, but ka ATMA East Gentle Hills District, kablalong hapalau ka East Side In, Latrambai Bypass, Jalya, ha pratarik yayong. Dr. VV Gupta hagajingkran ulaong, ka sorkar kam shimlakwa ikinong rep banri ban bamhi bat im hendrei ka jingtmu hi kalong ban ajing hi ka yaki hakbakinla banri nak benta jongki bat nak benta jongki weiru bat suki lingba ka jing start jing shimpang kin sala ban penbyang bat pendam saki weipat ki benta jongkari hakani ka singi la yoru ka jingkran na ka sumbut kongsan ka kong JU Kharpuri Additional Deputy Commissioner East Gentle Hills District ka kong Elakyang District Agriculture Officer Kabakmiru Yakatanat District Horticulture Officer, but Project Director ATMA East Gentle Hills District, Dr. R. Suchang Subject Matter Specialist, KVK Gentle Hills, but na Dr. PJ Das Principal Scientist ICAR NRC on Pigs Rani, Guwahati Assam, ulai kajingbatay bnya halor kapang scientific piggery farming. Hadin kajingalang nasami kajingsam Sniang, grinder, kiborti, shakinorap, nalor kiwei kilat jingarap.
Today we have come here with a special purpose. As Government of India given us many programs at many point of times. Today we are arranging a program under a tribal sub-plan, which is Government of India, a very ambitious program. And we go to the farmer's door, where we talk to them to promote a particular art of the agriculture. Today itself we will talk to about the pig production, how a piggery can turn your life and turn to a commercial venture and improve the lifestyle of the pupils, especially in the northeast region. Friends, today we have come with certain gifts for you. It's not a kind of a something which we are doing something extra for you. It's almost a 15 to 16 lakhs rupees. This includes the 500 bags of animal feed, especially piggery feed. Some very important items for household ladies. There's a mixture grinders. There are searchlight batteries, buckets. These are items which are day-to-day, which help you in your day-to-day life and promote your livelihood and lifestyle. Madam, our purpose, which has been given to Government of India, was by way of promoting the piggery in the tribal farmers. We do not want that they should grow and eat themselves and survive. That's not our purpose. Our purpose is to train them to the extent where they can grow for themselves and for others also. And slowly, by way of their capacity building, by certain kind of trainings, they should become the entrepreneurs. So that they can supply the pig which they produced in their own units to other parts of the country. I can give you the example. In the recent past, you have heard that African swine fever, a disease. Because of that, so many pigs have been killed, died because of that disease. Because there is no vaccine for that, so still there is a lot of mortalities going on in different parts, especially Mizoram, Assam, some part, and Meghalaya also a lot of mortalities happened. By saying this, that what I wanted to communicate, because there was a deficit of the animals in this region, so people from Punjab, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, they supplied large number of pigs to this region. And I can tell you the last year itself, it was a 2,000 crore rupees business of piggery, especially in northeast region, by the people from other states. So why can't the people from this state, we are the major consumer of the pig, can produce pig for themselves by using certain scientific means of rearing, by avoiding the African swine fever type of diseases. So by keeping all these points in our mind, we did give the trainings also. Under Atma, also I will talk to the coordinator, Atma project coordinator, that if we can select certain farmers and bring them to Guwahati, where we can train them. If they are tribal, we can afford all sort of expenditure, their boarding, lodging for up to 3 to 5 days program, or through KVK also. This is our third and fourth program in the West Jantia also. We produced last year 2 programs. This is the first in this particular region. And our institute is located in just very border of the Meghalaya. So in Chirang area where this also conduct few programs in that part also. So this is a kind of a starting. And we want to see that farmers from this area, especially the pig farmers, can grow. And what kind of support we can give in terms of animals, their feed, and whatever things are required. We are there, and we will be in the link with our KVK, Atma people also. They can start anew, afresh, with the help of state administration, as rightly Madam, the ADC Madam is here. We will seek her help also. How we can promote this piggery in this particular region. So hopefully, with due respect to this, with the rich cultured area, and we have seen the one glimpse of how rich this area is in these cultural things. We want the farmers of this particular region may grow as a very advanced entrepreneur in piggery sector, which I could see this is a lot of scope is there. And you need a new entrepreneur, you need a new ventures in agriculture, and hopefully the ICR is always there to help you. Thank you very much.
Kani ka program, kaba ai jingyarap ipi ban snuktu na ka benta kumnu ban penyar ya karep karyang hakini kitan hakini ka district hi bro Kiwei hakishnong ki jongpi bro Kiwei ngai kublei ipi baro inong rep kiblei awan lang ban Shim Bynta hakini program ha ka ba ka jing don ka jongpi kanla ban pen sapriang yakni ko kubor wat lada kidon katu katni ki baklam yo Shim Bynta kajing i jungpi ki nongrap anta kasngi ngatrai kani gadai ke beduna tam kabanga yu i menta kasngi namarba dangbun napi pide ki nongrap hi dangbun napi ki baklam yo wan kani ka program menta kasngi ha ka bayadai bat kani ka kamrap kamriang ban pen sapriang ya ka jingmut jing berkhan bat kum juru ban pen peni jengai ya ka rukom rap ka bakam bha ka ban lat na kinu ki jing julor ya ka rap ka riang
Imimum imi dewa manu dok moyong yo kadi ip yi ulai jakmat yi garap ikon kiti yong yi mum yi ule iwon tau upendapam pendapdi lenu pelai skur kon le ini ni wem kami haki sinong haki yung kisem kyong i kan ka jumpa bite to mye ile wem kam ngani gari siang ada bun ma ko priang di bru to ile waduna wabun ko priang di bru to wa siang sukika wa to wa uri itu sukses serang kam dari kita embolisu wan sine poi to sangka de ko mas kasniang wan gi le ai gi dabiang Ijinjo bahwa iti injek le man di 90 hadu 95% man ko tikna ba pun kon Sniang. Kagani to kubi ka jing start sense ka ni gua napo ka battery kwa pun siak jadi yo luti man ye bun be kam ni uri ki Sniang. Daw yo bori i napo ka depan ben napo district battery ni le. Ya kelam saya sini wan ra le ite kom pun kha khoni ki Sniang de ke injek wi ka nim to ki Sniang chnong wa chwa jori wa ri di Sniang la yo khian ba nyu emdon ka jim kala yo wi rabam na lo ka ramte ni ka si to wi ka si wa sia supha wa i kam di ri jiri sia wi ka jim kalam ngone wa pun kui ri jiri kam tam ki Sniang
le dapat hi ngai dapat ba jo kronya dui gani ka thau rep ka yong phi ka thau rep ka ba phi nga jo pet ba ka jing khen ka jing dia yong ka thau rep ka ba yong phi ha chwao kham gi yong mo yong as per statistical data sir before the NGT ban on this coal mining the statistical area of paddy was 4,338 hectares 4,338 hectares. So हजार ले स्पा ले भावरा hectare em ka thau rep ka ba hapo east jantia chwa wo khang gi yo mo yo hadir wa khang gi yong mo yong wan le le da kor unyi chaka te ka data ko wakat ni till 2023-24 there is just a 25 hectare increase from the previous one. That means now it is 4,363. So what does it mean? Yi mut ko gate. Mut ko wa maxin khang gi yong mo yong. U ko ko ba to u staple food yong i to wa im hong dami u ba. Te ka ta ka thau rep ka thau riang ka yong i. We will not rep ne ka jen seng dong seng it u. Nei te dau ne ka ta ka jing khen ka jing dia ko wa du khang gi yong mo yong ta hadu ka mi gi sni. Nei ba da dem em ko ko ba. Kamaruman i gibru hopo is jentia. Te kate to yua kate to ka chingkeng to wa pensia hai thit hai perkhat yonga. Wa han pia mut gibru sendong sing itki ya kata ka thau rep kham tam ko to yo ko ba ko yo ki. Ni ba ka ni to ka thau ko wo pen imja ko wo i ko yanga ya pi ki kon ki nat yo i. Te nei dei dau nang kat wala ki dei ki sni ki por. To du yo ko ba ko to du yo sudu. Nri wat hadu ki his in ki cermit. Wat hadu ki so ki pe. Ki sentuh ki skot ki yong pi le. Deh dang hiu him. Yiki kam kita ki thi ki kre ki wo pen imja ya pi. Leda kerunyi ne yang ko horticulture, ki floriculture, ki ginger, ki turmeric, ki so ki pe yong pi warok. Kita to ki wo yiu pen im, ki wo yiu e livelihood ya pi. Hadu ka ringap, hadu ka apiculture, lene ka mushroom, ka tungtit. Kita to ki kre ki wo i kam ki no rep. Hak juk ko ka ni MK bu perkhat jengai. To du ite wat hadu ka piggery ka Sniang, hadu ka risier ka poultry, hadu ka fishery. Kita to undong rep kre to du ya agri, horti, henry. Kita ki allied activities ki wo ongi ki wo yiu pungku ya kata ka yok ka kot yong ki nong rep yong ni. Te kata to kwa ukun tu usneng ukun tu MNC na yiti. Kam ki nong rep ki wo kien ki wo dei ki wo hapo ka ni ka district yong ni. Umhong penjulori hak pek hak sengdong i ka ni ka mariang ka yong i. Ya ka sudong ka supun yong i hak makhani ka. Nei ba ha ka ta ka thau rep ka ba ka yong nga. Ha ka ta ka thau wo thung sing thung cermit on. Lada ka ni ka sudong supun yong pi. Do ko i ka ta ka ecological balance ko ong i. Em ka ta ka jing her ka tarajur wa ki ta ki jing im ki em sudong supun yong i. Utaw ka ba daw em ka jing chakta. Utaw cermit pila daw em ka jing chakta. Hadu kiwan ki jing thung. Lada mpiang ka ta ka tarajur yong ka ni ka sudong supun. Daw em jing kta ka. Ya ki ni ki jing thung jing ta.
But we see there still lies a huge gap between the supply and demand chain. As we know also that majority of the population are non-vegetarian and pig is always an integral part of any functions or celebrations. Also, sir, we are very happy that having such a collaboration with a very premier institute. We know that, sir, your institute which looks after the whole nation, especially in piggery sector. So this type of collaboration will really help our farmers. And also, these programs are what we have in this district. It wouldn't have been possible without the help of the office of the young energetic team from Atma.